हेलो सर বাইদেউসকল আজি ম্যাথ পেডাগজিৰ বিশেষ এটা টপিক লৈ আহিলো তো আপোনালোকে ভিডিওখন চাব তো অবজেক্টিভস অফ টিচিং ম্যাথমেটিক্স কি আছে তো আপোনালোকক দেখাই দি আছো তো প্ৰথম অবজেক্টিভস হৈছে mathematization of the child thought process. 2 number objective আছে children learn to enjoy mathematics. 3 number আছে making mathematics part of the children life experience. 4 number আছে to develop logical thinking among the children. 5 number আছে children understand the basic structure of mathematics, i.e. arithmetic, algebra, geometry and trigonometry. তো ডেভিড হুইলারে এটা কথা কৈছিল more useful to know how to mathematics than to know a lot of mathematics. So according to George Polly, there are two aims of teaching mathematics in such school. Number 1 narrow aims and number 2 broad aims. So narrow aims কি আছে broad aims কি আছে আপোনালোকক হলকে দেখাম তো ইফালে চাওক narrow aims, these aims emphasis on turning the employable adults who can contribute to social and economic development. 2 number আছে this is related to numerical operations, i.e. measurement, fractions, percentage, etc. 3 number আছে thus the limited aim of mathematics is to develop useful abilities. তো both aims বা higher aims আছে think mathematically. 2 number আছে have logical discussions. 3 number আছে find logical conclusions to beliefs. 4 number আছে understand abstractness. 5 number আছে find solution to problem. 6 number আছে to develop child resource.